Believe it or not, but today's update is number 200. Can you believe that? 200 straight days of daily updates. I started this on January the 1st, and I promised myself, made a commitment to do 500 daily updates. Looked on the calendar and I saw that my 500th update would be on May the 15th of next year, 2027. And I thought, well, why not? See if I can come online 500 days and talk to you, my friend, and give you an update on what's going on. Even though there's not a heck of a lot going on a daily basis, I still try to come up with something of value, something to talk about. Well, today we're going to talk about 200. Today's my 200th update, which is a milestone of sorts. My next milestone will be 250. On update number 250, I'll be halfway to my goal of 500 daily updates. It's a challenge. See if I can do it. See if I can make it. We're going to give it a shot. But I think what we're going to do today to celebrate my 200th episode is I'm going to go back over the 200 daily updates, and I'm going to pull up some clips. And we're just going to do a montage of clips. Just sort of look back over the last 200 days of video updates, and I'm going to pull those clips and share them with you now. You don't mind if I record this for our YouTube channel, do you? I know you think I'm crazy, but I've had a dream my entire life. I've always wanted to get an RV or a van, hit the road, and travel. I've always wanted to travel for at least a year across the United States. I mean, is that so crazy? So let me get this straight. You want to buy a van and drive across America. Did I get that right? Yeah, I told you it was crazy. I mean, I haven't lost my mind. I mean, I know it's nuts. You must be insane.
Listen to a story about a man named Mitch, a poor YouTuber in the van life niche. His only problem was he didn't own a van, but that won't stop him, he'll do the best he can.
Sun's coming up, skillet's loud. Barefoot on gravel, talking to a crowd. Coffee strong, the van smells like bacon. Cameras rolling before the first shaking. Morning, y'all, like we slept just fine. Didn't show the parking lot from last night. If it's van life, we gotta eat. Prop the phone up on the seat, one burner, cast iron dreams. Every mile needs a meal in between, from oatmeal bowls to late night fries. Hold up, let me film this bite. If we're rolling down the street, yeah, van life's gotta eat.
You know, any kind of person who wants to live in a van and get on YouTube and post videos, they're going to have to record at some point a trip to the grocery store. So I thought I would do that. Oh, I'm getting some sandwiches. And it's mandatory that you show the sandwich to the camera so that you know what you're buying. You want to show the viewer the sandwich. Oh, and look here, we've got some desserts. That's cool, but not on my diet. Do I want one of those? Brownies? No. I'm going to look at the walnut bread. Well, how you doing? Today is day 9 of the daily update. Hope everyone's doing okay today. Just hanging out here in the Austin, Texas area and about to have some soup. It's kind of warm out here today, but that's all right. I'm not complaining. I like the warm weather. Well, I've spent much of the day coming up with a plan on how to pay for a new van. It's not going to be easy, but we're going to give it a shot. How's it going, everybody? It is January the 15th, and today is day 15, my van life update. Just wanted to check in real briefly. And I'm wrapping up the SWOT analysis that I've been working on the last few days. We're going to just briefly tie everything together. Now that I've looked at my strengths, my weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats, I'm going to try to bring it all together. And I think the easiest way to do this.
Babies crying and people talking. The coffee shop serving lattes with cream. And I wanna scream. Outside it's cold and people walking. They pet a dog as they window shop. And I wanna scream because it's day 19 and I've nothing to say. I've been sitting here throughout the day.
All right, good morning. How you doing this morning? It's day 24 of my van life update. That means it's January the 24th, and another week this month will be gone, thank God. Well, it is day 26, van life update, and I'm still stuck in the parking lot, iced in. I tried getting out about an hour ago, and my car slid backwards, and I couldn't go anywhere. So I just had to stick her in reverse and back up into the spot where I'm at. So I don't know if I just don't know. Will I be able to get out of this thing today? Will I be able to get out of this thing today? I'm surrounded by ice. As you can see, it's beginning to melt, but that adds another problem because it's only 20 degrees outside, 21, 22 degrees, and the sun is helping melt the ice, but then it freezes back over and you get this glaze. And you can see down here how thick the sleet was. So it's quite a mess. This is episode 62, day 62. Hope everyone's doing okay today. It looks like, I think today I want to talk about why I'm choosing a Ford Transit. That's the van of choice. Well, hello everybody. How's everybody doing today? It's van life update number 74. It's a Sunday, beautiful Sunday in the Austin area, a little windy, but that's okay. And I'm basically going to take the day off today. I'm going to try not to think about van life too much. So today is van life update number 90. It's the last day of the month of March. Moving into springtime, thank God. I was watching a video this morning, and the guy was talking about how we overthink too much. There's a couple of things I want to talk about today in today's update, and they have to do with my Van Life America project. And first thing I did this morning was I started to put together a list of title sponsors. These are companies that will have the budget, have the money to have the potential to become a title sponsor for the project. And I've got a list of probably a dozen or more companies that I can start to reach out to. And that's what I'm going to be doing in the month of May. Starting the first week of May, I will start reaching out to the list. And what I'll be looking for, of course, is a title sponsor. And I also sent out a couple of emails to van builders. Well, it's Saturday, May the 23rd. Time for some notes from on the road. Time for some notes from this last week, some observations maybe, some things I've learned, some things about this last week that are on my mind. Can you hear the music in the background? Great. That's all I need is some live music going on, blasting in my ear while I'm trying to shoot a video. This is day 154 of my daily updates. That's 154, working our way toward 500 daily updates. And yes, I am a van lifer. I do live on the road. You know what happens when you travel on the road and you have a breakdown, you have some mechanical difficulty, sometimes you're stuck for a while. So there's nothing wrong with that. That's what I wanted to talk a little bit about today, is this idea that van life is all about traveling and moving around and looking at different locations and going from site to site and going to see all these beautiful locations, which van life is. But van lifers also can have times to settle down and relax for a week or two. You don't have to constantly be moving. This is Wednesday, I believe, June the 10th. Van Life update number 161 of 500. My name is Mitch. Welcome to my channel, Mitch and His Van. And I'm committed to doing 500 daily updates, which will take us through May the 15th of next year. So, knock on wood, I don't get sick or have any sort of issues. I'll be with you every day between now and then for at least a brief update, let you know what I'm doing, what I'm up to. The goal here is for me to purchase a van, get on the road, create content, and do a 3-year deep dive into van life. Spend 3 years on the road. That's the goal. Well, boy, that was fun, wasn't it? It was really interesting looking back over the last 200 days to see some of the things that I've done. Doesn't sound like that much. I guess it's 6 months plus a few days. So in the scheme of things, it's not that long, but hey, 200 daily updates is nothing to sniff at. Tomorrow will be number 201, and we'll work our way toward 250. That'll be our next milestone. Go out and have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.